Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to deal with the coarse error in React. But before we start, it is important to understand that this is a development solution and it's not a real production fix, because the real production fix will be done at your backend. So let's move forward, and before going into the fix, here's an idea of what coarse error is and why is it produced. So here is an example. Let's suppose that we have two applications. Of our front-end application is in React, while our back-end application is in Node.js. So our React application tries to get some data from our backend Node.js, but a coarse error is generated. This is because the browser is blocking this request. So let's see how we fix it through our React front-end application. Let's move to our application. We need to make two changes. First will be in package.json. Your package.json will have some other important information as well. So what you need to do is you need to just copy this and paste it into the package.json file. You have some attributes. For example, it depends on your application and your rules or policies, how you work. So you set the name, the version, we set the private to true, and the proxy. Now this is your backend application URL, which is used to fetch the data. So we put that in and then we save it. Then we move to the get data. Again, this depends on your architecture, how you are naming your files, but you need to make this fix from where your front-end application is connecting with the backend API. So this is a very small fix. We already have this part in our package.json, so we will simplify this page. Instead of using a full URL, we will shorten it into this one as shown. So this makes it easy for the browser to read, and it will also bypass the error. So this is it. I hope you get this error fixed, and if you do so, do like this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.